How to transfer WhatsApp chats from an Android to another device. I'll show you both the backup method and the direct transfer option. First, let's start with the backup method. Open WhatsApp on your old Android device. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Following that, tap on Chats and then tap on Chat Backup. Now, tap on Backup to create a fresh backup to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Moving forward, once backup completes, install WhatsApp on your new device and sign in with the same phone number. Afterwards, WhatsApp will detect your backup and prompt you to restore. Tap Restore to transfer all your chats. In addition to that, there's also a faster direct transfer method. On your new device, during WhatsApp setup, tap Transfer Chats from Old Phone. Once that appears, a QR code will display on your new device screen. Subsequently, on your old device, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Chats, and select Transfer Chats. Moreover, tap Start and scan the QR code shown on your new device. Afterwards, both phones will connect directly and begin transferring all messages, photos, and videos without using internet data. Then, keep both devices close together until the transfer completes successfully. Within minutes, all your WhatsApp data will be available on your new device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you switch devices smoothly, show your support with a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp guides, and turn on the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.